Hey everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion. Our Eat Special series is going on and I'm going to share a very refreshing drink recipe that is called Borhani. This is basically a Bangladeshi drink recipe, but trust me, it's worth trying. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you're new and also press the bell icon so that you get all the notification of my further video. Now jump into the recipe. For making Borhani, first into a mixing jar, I am going to add half a cup of mint leaves. Then goes half a cup of coriander leaves. Then 2 green chilies. And then 1 cup of chilled water at this stage, because we need to grind them into very smooth paste. So just add 1 cup of water. Don't add all the ingredients at this stage. First make sure that everything is grinded smoothly. After that we are going to add the rest of the ingredients. So at first you can in Bangladesh these were made manually using a kamcha or like that, but now it's time when we have mixer grinder, so it is done very easily and quickly. Now it's done and smooth, so I'm going to add rest of the ingredients. So here goes 2 cups of yogurt, chilled yogurt. I'm using homemade dahi here. Next goes 1 teaspoon of black salt, 1 teaspoon of roasted coriander powder and 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. Then I'm adding sugar. I'm using powdered sugar or caster sugar so that it will be easier to incorporate. I'm here using 3 to 4 tablespoons. You can balance it later if you want more sweetness or less sweetness according to your taste. Now I'm going to add juice of half of a lemon. This is very refreshing, and this Borhani is served in the restaurant or in Bangladeshi family as palate cleanser. It's whenever you are having heavy meal, it is served as a palate cleanser. Now I'm going to blitz it, and within no time it will be done. So we are going to blitz it for like 2 minutes in high speed so that everything is well incorporated and the drink is smooth. So I'm going to check the sweetness here, if it's need more sugar or not. I think a little bit of more sugar is required. You also do the same, check it after that you add more sugar or anything else that is needed in the Borhani. So now it's done. I'm going to serve them into these tall glasses. As I was saying, it is a palate cleanser, refreshing drink. Not only that, it is very good for your stomach, especially when you are having heavy meal during this Eid or Ramzan, or whenever you are having heavy meal. It is served as a refreshing drink which can soothe your stomach so that your stomach does not get upset after having such heavy meals. So I'm going to garnish it with some mint leaves, and it's done. It's ready to serve. I hope you like the recipe. Do make this recipe in this hot summer season and let me know in the comment section. And trust me guys, everyone in your family and friends and everyone will like this drink. So do try it and let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.